This presentation is designed to help you find legal journal articles at Nottingham Trent University. I'll begin by explaining a little bit about the different types of legal journals. Then I'll look at how to identify those articles which are relevant to your particular assignment. And lastly, I'll explain how to go about locating those that are available here at Nottingham Trent University. Legal journals can be divided into two categories: those which are aimed at professional lawyers, practicing solicitors or barristers, and those that are aimed at academic lawyers, namely academics, researchers and students. Professional titles tend to have shorter articles and act much more as a current awareness tool, keeping lawyers up to date with recent developments and job adverts. These titles are usually published weekly, and examples include The Lawyer, the Law Society Gazette, the New Law Journal and the Solicitor's Journal. Academic titles feature longer articles with bibliographies. They tend to be published less frequently, either quarterly or bi-monthly. Examples include the Modern Law Review, the Cambridge Law Journal, the Nottingham Law Journal and the Oxford Journal of Legal Studies. Searching for journals is a two-stage process. Stage 1 is identifying the articles which are relevant to your topic, and our online databases will tell you what has been written about a particular subject. Stage 2 involves checking Nottingham Trent's holdings to find out which articles are available here at NTU, either electronically or in print. Note that not every article listed on our electronic databases will be available in our stock. The databases are commercially produced and will tell you what exists, not just what's available through the library's holdings here at NTU. Your first choice for identifying relevant legal journal articles for law should be the Westlaw database. Westlaw includes the Legal Journals Index, which indexes over 400 UK and European legal journal titles, and also has over 90 journals in full text. The best way to search it is to select Journals from the top menu bar, and then to select the Advanced Search option. Your results list will be a combination of articles which are available in Westlaw in full text, and others which are only available on Westlaw as a summary. However, the summaries will include all of the bibliographic information needed to help you track it down using other sources. Locating the full text from a Westlaw summary or other reference is relatively straightforward. Open another Internet tab or browser and open up the eSearch homepage. In the Find a Journal box in the top right-hand corner of the eSearch page, type in the full name of the journal that you're looking for. Note it must be the journal title and not the article title, and then click on Find it at NTU. Another menu will appear giving details of any print or online versions of that journal which are subscribed to here at Nottingham Trent. Very importantly, check that the dates match for the article that you require, and then go to the appropriate resource, whether electronic or in print. There are other sources too which can be used to look for journal articles, and the first of these is the Lexis Library database. Lexis Library contains around 70 journals in full text. Its Journals Index only includes those journals which are on Lexis Library in full text. So you won't be searching across as many titles as you would be on Westlaw, meaning you may be missing out on other more relevant articles, but on the plus side, all the articles you find will be available in full text. To search, select the Journals tab from the top menu bar and enter your search terms. The search options available on Lexis Library are not as advanced as those on Westlaw. Hein Online provides the full text of more than 1,200 law and law-related periodicals. Hein is an archive collection only, so it won't contain the most recent year's worth of journals, but coverage goes back to the first issue. Hein has an extensive collection of US titles, but also an increasing collection of UK and European titles. Select the Law Journal Library option, and searching can be done by title, keyword or author. LawTel is another legal database produced by Sweet and Maxwell, who also produce Westlaw. LawTel's articles index is not as comprehensive as Westlaw's, but it does index the broadsheet newspapers. LawTel only provides summaries, so you will need to search for the titles on eSearch to locate the full text. So far we have concentrated on legal databases, but don't overlook the non-law databases, particularly when researching for extended projects. Databases for other subjects often also cover the legal aspects of that topic, so it may be in your interest to consult our business databases for business and company law topics, our health databases for medical law topics, or our social science databases for human rights topics, and so on. To see our range of non-law databases, go to eSearch and select the Search for a Database by Subject option, and then pick an appropriate category to browse. The library's collection of law journals are housed on the second floor of the Boots Library on the Goldsmith Street side of the building. They are listed on the catalogue as Boots Library Law Journals and are shelved in alphabetical order by title of the journal. Non-law journals are housed in the main law journals collection on the lower ground floor, again in alphabetical order by title. Non-law journals appear on the catalogue as Boots Library Journals. All print journals are reference only, so cannot be borrowed. You'll either need to read the article in the library or photocopy it, abiding by the copyright regulations. The library offers an interlibrary loan service which enables us to provide articles we don't have in stock. The service is available to undergraduates in their final 2 years of study and to postgraduates. Undergraduates should note that their quota of 15 requests covers both of their final 2 years of study, so any requests made in year 2 will reduce the number of requests you may make in your final year. Books and journal articles may be requested, and there are full details on how to use the service on the library website. I'll finish with a few handy hints. First, when you enter a journal title in eSearch, you'll need to enter the title in full. If all you have is its legal abbreviation, check the Cardiff Index to legal abbreviations first to find the full text. Next, you should always search for the journal title using eSearch rather than Google. This is because the eSearch route will recognize you as an NTU student and direct you via the approved login route. Lastly, some databases and journals require a unique username and password. To find these out, check the Other Password page via the library website. Log in and you'll see a list of resources including the unique IDs required. That concludes this presentation. Now why not have a look at the Finding Legal Journals articles demonstration to see an actual journals search.